Hello friends, welcome back to Printer Tales. If your HP printer jobs are stuck in the queue, don't worry. In this video, we're going to fix the issue very quickly. This problem can happen for several reasons, such as driver issues, print spool errors, or other software-related problems. In this video, I'll guide you through some simple steps to clear the print queue and get your printer working again. If you need a quick assistance at any point, feel free to call our expert team at the number shown on the screen. Now, let's get right into the solutions. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Cancel all documents. First, you need to go to Computer's taskbar and search for Printers and Scanners and open it. Now, on the Printers and Scanners page, look for the HP printer series and click on it. After that, click on the Open Queues option. On the Open pop-up, click on the Printers tab. From the Open list of options, click on Cancel all documents. Now, on the Open confirmation prompt, choose the Yes option to complete the cancellation process. Check whether this method fixes the issue. If you find these solutions helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. If the problem still continues, follow the next method. Method 2. Restart the print spooler service. First of all, you should type Services in the taskbar search and click on Open option. Next, scroll down to the list of the Open page until you see the print spooler. Then, right-click on the print spooler option and select Stop. After that, you need to right-click on the print spooler once again. This time, from the list of open results, click on Properties. Now, on the Open page, make sure the Automatic option is selected for startup type. If not, then choose it from the drop-down menu. Once that's done, you should minimize the Services window. Then, press the Windows plus E buttons together to open the File Explorer window. On the Open page, look for the PC option and click on it. Next, you need to open the Windows C drive. On the next page, look for Windows option and open it. After that, look for System32 option and click on it. Now, choose the Spool option on the next page. Then, click on the Printers option and select Continue in the confirmation prompt. Also, delete all the files from that folder. Now, head back to the Services window and restart the print spooler service. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.